Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can actually record a song very professionally or record any audio very professionally basically. So first of all you need to have the software called Audacity. So for that just go to Google and search Audacity and search, and you can see the first of all you can see the website here, www.audacityteam.org, and just verify, and what it's asking, containing umbrella. Okay, just first of all just login, basically login, yeah, basically login. Okay, using the one-step verification, and yes, so you're actually in the website now, and here you can see download Audacity right there, right? Just click it and just click Audacity for Windows. Currently I'm using the Windows OS, so I am gonna click that. If you are using the Mac, do that, or Linux, just do that. So currently I'm using the Windows 10 version, and here you can see, and just go down, and here you can see the download.exe file. So just click that, this one. Okay, the Audacity zip file is much better. And here you can see Audacity, and just you can see the Audacity Windows installer. Just click that and it will be downloaded, and just after that just follow the installation, right? Because already have the Audacity in my computer, so I'm not going to do that again. So basically after that just extract the zip file and just install it. Okay, and now just open the Audacity app basically, and so here you can see that this is the first page of the Audacity, the front page of the Audacity. Just go to file. If you want to record a song, basically just go to file and click open. And currently I'm just currently I'm just uploading a karaoke. Okay, just a karaoke, so I'm just gonna upload it, importing it, and now you can see it is if you just hear it, you can see just a karaoke. So what I'm gonna do is I need to sing along with it, right? Basically, so what I have to do is just click this button. Okay, you can see the record new track, right? So basically all you have to do is just click this button, and there is a problem there, right? It is actually recording in the same track, right? There's a problem, right? So what you have to do is just click space or just this one to stop, and just go to edit, and then just go to preferences, and from there you can see this one, the record on a new track, right? Just take it. Okay, you need to record a new track so you can actually hear the karaoke and sing along with it basically, right? So just click OK, and now just go back and just click record again. Okay, and now you can see it is actually recording on a new track. You can actually also listen to karaoke also, right? So basically click stop and stop. Okay, sorry, and now just press the play button. Recording on a new track. You can actually also listen the karaoke also, right? You can see I'm actually talking during the karaoke. So if you want to manage the right now, if you see, and you can see example, it is actually the karaoke is a little too much, right? So basically what I have to do is just this is the karaoke portion and this is the karaoke track. Basically all you have to do is just and you can see it is actually recording on a new track. You can actually also listen little bit less, and if you just do it, it can, it just gets
And
smaller
you
and
can
smaller.
see it is
And if you see, if you want to increase it, just plus. And if you want to go to the left side and the right side, that's also up to you. Basically make it so if you want to give sound to the left area more, just click L. Just, if you want the right area, just R. Just go to there, and of course it's the center. That's the best version. And also you can see here, for example, I'm just gonna create a new one, and I'm just gonna record something. Just I am talking, okay. So I'm just gonna stop it now, and I'm just gonna listen to it.
I am talking, okay. So I'm just gonna
So you can see, there is a little bit sound here and there, right? You can
I
see
am
the,
talking, okay.
especially you can see the sound here. I need to remove that, right? So what I have to do is just click that portion and go to edit, and sorry, go to effect and go to noise reduction, okay. And now all you have to do is get noise, click that get noise profile, and you need to select that track which you want to remove the noise, okay. So I want to actually basically select the entire track, okay. I want to basically remove all the noise from the entire track, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click it, and I'm going to select it all, and then again I'm gonna go to effect and just click the noise reduction again, and I'm just gonna click okay. If I click okay, it will remove the noise basically. And if you want to basically, if you just click preview,
Uh, I am talking, okay. So I'm just
so so you can see still a little bit sound, right? So I'm just gonna increase this noise reduction, and you can see also increase the sensitivity, frequency, smoothing, things like that, okay. So until you feel
I
comfortable,
am talking,
you can do
okay.
that, okay. So
So I'm
guys,
just
that's how you reduce the noise reduction, if you want, the sensitivity and frequency, things like that. And after you feel comfortable, just click OK, and you can see the difference, right? The wavelength is actually decreased, right? And guys, if I want to add a audio from a video, just try that now, okay. Just go to open, and this is actually mp4 video, okay. I need to add the audio from that video, and you can see the error message here, okay. So for that I need to download the ffmpeg to my Audacity library. For that I'm gonna go to edit and go to preference, and from there go to libraries, okay. And here from there there is two option, locate and download. I'm just going to click the download one, and it will lead you to the website. And here you can see the for Windows, for Mac, for Linux, for in my case I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click the Windows one, and I'm going to go to the installing FMBG for Windows. And here you can see the alternative zip.com for ffmpeg. I'm gonna click that, and from there you can see two version, to one thing lame and ffmpeg, so you don't mistakenly download the lame version, lame one. Just click download the zip version. You only need that, okay. So just click that, and you can see here it's actually downloading here. So guys, I just downloaded the ffmpge, and now go back to find that folder, zip file, and you can see here now just extract it, okay. I'm just gonna extract here, and it's actually extracted. And now go back to Audacity and go to edit, preferences, and libraries, and you can see the locate option now, right? Just click that, and yeah, I want to do it manually. I think I did it automatically once before recording this video. And now go to downloads and just make it all files. Okay, all files. Okay, now just click the ffmpeg and just open it. Okay, I think I clicked it right. Okay, ffmpeg and click OK. And now try adding the video file. You can see it is actually adding, it's actually importing the audio of the video file, right? So guys, that's how you do it. If you want to add the audio from any video file. So, and also you can, if you're recording that, if you there is different options right there, you can see different option. I think I need to complete the I'm just gonna cancel it now for a more second. Okay, you can see the time shift tool. Basically, if you want to just record from the if you want to move the recording area, you can just do that. You can just move it, and different options right there, right? And different tools also there, different effects. You can, if you check it, you can clearly see that. So guys, if you are if you want to be a professional, professional video, professional audio, I think it's the best way to do it, using the Audacity software. So I guess it is helpful for you guys, and see you guys on the next video.